Welcome again to part 2 of Welcome to Web Development course. HTML. HTML represents hypertext markup language. It is used for creating web pages. Without HTML, there won't be useful web pages and there will be no website that's useful. When I was a beginner, I converted all my study materials into HTML code and I saved them as website with 22 topics for HTML content. Here I'm going to group the 22 topics into 11 short videos of 2 topics each. For this video, we are going to talk about setting up HTML text editor and basic HTML documents. First, a practical approach will enhance you to understand quickly. You will therefore need to set up for HTML coding. You need an environment. So you're going to download. I advise you download any of these text editors from Google. Just download Sublime. You can download. All right, let's assume you installed Sublime Text. This is how it's going to look with your browser. So topic number 2: basic HTML document structure. Although there are various versions of HTML over the years, the basic syntax for code remains the same. The HTML code is embedded inside this HTML tag. The best practice is to use small letters. HTML, then the first HTML syntax. Everything HTML document is surrounded by the HTML tag. What this means is that every other code in HTML is going to fall in between this space. So let's proceed. Now the head tag. Immediately following the opening HTML tag, you are going to see the head of the document, which is identified by opening and closing head tags. Look at how it looks like here. Remember, we first learned about this and this. So inside the HTML tag, we also have the head tag. Every other meta information about the website. And see, this is how it is done. The head tag is inside the HTML tag. The HTML tag is the primary tag and the head tag, like my first, right? The same head tag you can also have. So let's continue. So I'm going to discuss the head section later, but let's go to the body section. The body tag follows the head. All the visual structure elements are contained in the body tag, and look at how it looks like in real practice. The HTML tag covers everything, then follows by the head tag, and the head tag closes. This is the opening and this is the closing tag for the head, and the head has done its work. And now the body tags open. Everything that must be visible for the user of the website happens here. Everything. So look at how it looks in the editor. Let's go to the editor. In the editor, you place the body after you might have closed the head.